I make this in the summertime, and it don't last more than about a day. All right, guys, let's make this delicious pasta. I have here 5 hard-boiled eggs. I got a whisk. What I'm going to do is just chop it up using the whisk. Easiest way to do it. All right, come over here. I had the pasta that I've already cooked and I drained and cooled. I like this tricolor pasta. It has all the vegetables, carrots, and the orange, and I believe the green is like spinach and broccoli. Really, really good. But, all right. Put the egg in there. Put the whole thing egg right in there. Now, in here I have chopped up some mint, parsley, and cilantro. Just a coarse chop, nothing too great. And here I got green onion that I've chopped. It's a little windy out today. Sorry for the noise in the background. Now, what sets this off is right there. Dill pickle juice. About that much. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. That's just to taste. You ready? French's mustard. And then there's some store-bought mayonnaise. Maybe about a half cup. It's like that. Fold it in. Now, when I usually do this, I usually use 2 bowls. I probably should have used 2 bowls again, but I didn't. And this makes a great side for that chicken. You got that cool, refreshing pasta with all those herbs in it, that fresh parsley, that fresh cilantro, and then you got a hint of that mint in the back. And you got the nice texture of the egg, along with the sweet and sour of the pickle juice. I mean, this is a home run in my house every time I make it. Everybody likes it. Even the picky eaters like it. All right, just like that. Now, before you add any more vinegar or anything else, you want to take a little quick taste test. Get a spoon here. See how we did? That is perfect. That mustard just, guys, I don't know what you put in your pasta salads, but use mustard in your pasta salad. I'm telling you, it will change the world. That mustard is perfect in salad and pasta salads. It is so damn good. And that's it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, 6 ingredients. Wasn't that hard to make? Fairly quick. Boil up your pasta. You can boil up al dente if you want to. You can boil it until it's like nice and soft. I like mine just slightly firm. slightly al dente. But let this sit in the ice box for about an hour. And when that chicken is done, serve it with that chicken. I'm telling you, you got yourself a great summertime meal. Check this out. Check out the Roto Q360. Please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.